Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and open this website. From here, just tap on Try It Now. And from here, just copy the DNS provider name. Just tap and hold on the name and select Copy. After you copy the DNS provider name, then go to your home screen and open Settings. Tap on Connections, then tap on More Connection Settings. From here, just tap on Private DNS. Now instead of Off or Automatic, just select Private DNS. And in this section, just paste the copied DNS provider name. Then tap on Save. Now after you have done that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Google. Tap on All Services, and from here you will find the option of ads under Privacy and Security. Just tap on it, then tap on Delete Advertising ID and select Delete Advertising ID. And after you do that, you will block all the ads on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.